This is an old Aeron chair. The foam has degraded significantly. If you put your legs on here, you can feel this whole bar is pretty hard. This is the FOAMON replacement foam. If you don't know the size of your chair, inner lip of the backrest near your shoulders, there are a couple of nubs on the inside. 1 nub for size A, 2 nubs for size B, 3 nubs for size C. Now we just remove the old one right here. Ew, look at that. That's disgusting. Let me squeeze this, nice and squishy. This one feels like cardboard. It's kind of even disintegrating a little bit. Try to remove everything. It includes 2 cleaning wipes to clean the area underneath. So insert it and position about 1/2 inch away from the front lip. Okay. I've aligned the underside to match the edge. That feels pretty good. It feels nice and squishy now. I'm just kind of taking out that backing of the sticky tape. Just pulling it out. And there we go, it's stuck. Sitting test here. Feels normal now. Before I could feel a bar of metal. Now it feels squishy and normal. This is the FOAMON replacement lumbar support. The density is pretty similar. Let's put it on the chair. You can put the thicker side this way for more lumbar support or turn it this way for less lumbar support. I like a little bit less, so you just kind of thread it on one side. Just kind of push it down there. It's installed. From the front, it's in there nice and good. Look at the old one. It's kind of crusty. I can feel there's a layer of hard plastic, not very soft at all. This one feels more like a hard foam and it's more uniform throughout. The bottom have 2 screws, L and R for left and right. Just lay your chair down. It helps a bit if you shift the armrest out so it doesn't interfere with your screwdriver. And unscrew these screws. The old one disintegrated, and if I push it, there's like little pieces of foam coming out. Just put in the new one and also the other one. If you guys are interested in these retrofit products for your Aeron chair, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.